Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.4. 3.4 is very important exercise in this chapter. अगर आपको 3.4 क्लियर हो गया, कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया, तो इसमें इट मीन्स दैट यू कैन डू ऑल दिस इंटीग्रेशन अप टू योर लेवल, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. 3.4 में काफ़ी सारे जो आपने अब तक यूज़ किए हैं, ऑल दीज formula we will use, but moreover we have a formula that is called by parts. What is by parts formula? Means if we want to find the integral of product of two functions, f of x and g of x, so we suppose that this is first function and this is second function. So first function integral of second function minus integral of second function into derivative of first function. और अगर इसको मैं मज़ीद सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में लिखूं तो इसको मैं u और v की फॉर्म में लिख सकता हूँ. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, सेकंड फंक्शन, first function integral of second function minus integral of second function derivative of first function. Keep in mind this is double integration, and this integration is only for this and this integration is for both. So first function, second function, first function integral of second minus integral of second derivative of first. u v first function, second function, u integral of second, v minus integral of v derivative of u d of x. This is one important thing is that how to important इसमें यही चीज़ें हमारे पास आती है कि what is the first function, how to decide that what is the first function and second function. इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ इसमें यही है कि आपने ये डिसाइड करना है कि फर्स्ट फंक्शन और सेकंड फंक्शन कौन सा है. उसके लिए हमारे पास एक फार्मूला यूज़ हम करते हैं, दैट इज़ आई लेट. आई लेट मीन्स दैट दिस इज़ इनवर्स फंक्शन, लॉगरिथम, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हमारे पास आ जाए log of x, अब आप ये देखो कि यहाँ पे एक log of x है, एक x, दिस इज लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, दिस इज algebraic function. So logarithmic function is first and this is, if it is written like this, so this is first, this is second, but actually we have to change it because algebraic is second, logarithmic is first. So log of x into x dx, we have to shift, we have to make this is first function, this is second function, because logarithmic is first, algebraic is second. So जिस sequence में ये है, we follow this sequence, and most of the time we follow the same rule, I late, most of the time. So two things keep in mind. By parts we apply when we want to find the product of two functions, integral of two functions. Secondly, we have to decide which one is the first function and which one is the second function. First function and second function. Formula is there, integral of u v dx u, integral of second minus integral of second into derivative of first. And to decide the first and second function, we normally follow this rule, I late, inverse, logarithm, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. We follow the sequence. If logarithmic is first, algebraic is next. So this is first function, second function. This is first function, second function, first function, second function. Normally we follow the same rule here. Now come to the question. In the question, x sin x. This is first function and this one is second function. Here u is equal to x and v is equal to sin x. So it means one derivative of u and integral of v, that is x. Since u v d of x. This one is formula. So I is equal to u x integral, this is minus cos x minus cos x into derivative is 1 minus x cos x plus minus x cos x plus constant of integration. Here we are taking integration, but we are not using constant of integration because integration is left there, complete नहीं हुई है. Sign of integration और constant of integration उस वक्त आता है हमारे पास. constant of integration हम उस वक्त लगाते हैं जब हमारे पास integration end होती है. Here we have the last integration sign, so at the end we use this constant of integration. तो इसमें हमने ये फर्स्ट फंक्शन लिया, ये सेकंड फंक्शन लिया, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट, इंटीग्रल ऑफ सेकंड. Formula is this one. Just put the values here and we get the answer here. There is no difficult thing. That u as it is, integral of minus cos x minus integral of second, that is minus cos, and derivative of first. So minus and minus plus, integral of cos, that is sine, constant of integration. सो मैं इसको आपको सॉल्व करता हूँ सेकंड पार्ट. When there is no second function, so we take it as 1. Constant हम at the second हम function उसको ले रहे हैं. Here u is equal to log of x, this is first function, this is second function, and v is the first function. Derivative 1 over x, integral, that is x. Since u into v dx, what is the formula? U integral of second minus integral of second derivative of first. So I is equal to u integral of first second minus integral of second derivative of first, x log of x minus x log of x minus plus constant of integration. In the question he is saying that we have to use evaluate these questions by using by parts. So by parts में we must have two functions. First function is there only one function is given, that is log of x. So second function we suppose that is 1. So this is first function, second function. U is equal to log of x, v is equal to 1. First function derivate and the second function integrate. The first function derivative of first function is 1 over x. Integration of second function 1, that is only x. And we have a formula, integral of u into v. First function, integral of second minus integral of second into derivative of first. So just putting the values and we get the answer here. May I solve another part? Question number 1, part 4 I do. This is. Now, as I told you that according to late sequence formula, logarithm is before algebraic. Logarithmic is before algebraic. This is inverse. This one is trigonometric. This one is exponential. But logarithm is first, algebraic is second. So it means that we have to change the sequence here. Logarithmic and algebraic here. This is first function. This one is second function. So here u is equal to log of x, v is equal to x square, 1 over x that is x cube by 3. Since u v d of x is equal to u integral of this one minus integral of second, this is integration sign, into derivative of first. So I is equal to u log of x integral of this one minus integral of derivative of this one. So it means that we have minus 1 over 3 into x square dx. 1x is cancelled. So again integrate this value. Integration is x cube by 3 plus constant of integration. So we have the answer here, that is 1 over 3 x cube minus 1 over 9 x cube by 3 log of x. So here log of x minus 1 over 9 x cube plus c. If you want to take common, so that is also correct answer. But again मैं इसको रिपीट कर दूँ आपको कि ये है क्या, एक्स स्क्वायर लॉग ऑफ एक्स इंटीग्रल साइन. अब इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर इज फर्स्ट, लॉग ऑफ एक्स इज सेकेंड. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल log of x must be the first function. What is the reason? मैं आपको इसकी रीज़न भी एक छोटी सी बता दूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स स्क्वायर log of x, this one, this is first function, this is second function. So what is the need of this? U is equal to x and v is equal to इसका हमने इंटीग्रल लेना है. सो वी डू नॉट हैव द डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रल ऑफ log ऑफ x। अगर ये होता तो हमारे पास इससे जो पहले क्वेश्चन मैंने किया सेकंड पार्ट उसी में हम डायरेक्ट कर लेते। सो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला नहीं है, एक तो वन रीज़न इज़ दिस वन। सेकेंडली वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल, दैट इज़ मोस्टली वी फॉलो द रूल, दैट इज़ algebraic is the first function, logarithmic is the first function, algebraic is the second function. Here algebraic first, logarithmic second, so we have to change their position, logarithmic first function, algebraic is second function. So we are taking this one, u is equal to log of x, v is equal to x square. So u, derivative of u is 1 over x, integral of x square is x cube by 3, and rest is the, just put the value here again derivate integrate x square, x cube by 3. So we have x cube by 3 log of x minus 1 over 9 x cube plus constant of integration. So this is the way how to take the integration when product of two functions are there. जब दो फंक्शन हो, प्रोडक्ट हो दो फंक्शंस का और उनका इंटीग्रेशन लेना हो तो वी फॉलो द रूल ऑफ बाय पार्ट्स। क्लियर? सो दिस इज़ अ लेंथी एक्सरसाइज, वी विल मूव स्टेप बाय स्टेप एंड क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन वी विल चेक इट। इंशाल्लाह अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो यू मे आस्क मी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।